guys, it's me Nadia with you again. Today I'm here with this wonderful orange makeup look. As you can see, this is very summer friendly and I hope you'll enjoy this video look. It has a fun lip color and of course some twist on my eyes, as you can see right here. And first of all, I'm gonna say that I'm really sorry that I've been away for a year and I couldn't upload any videos. So until today I'm here again because I was busy with my life and all of it. So now I'm kind of free and I think I have spent a quite time without this YouTube channel. So I'm back again in this channel and will be helping you and giving my tips and ideas about how you can do your makeup. So if you want to know how I did this makeup look today, please keep on watching. So guys, before applying foundation, usually we have to apply a primer or a moisturizer, but recently I found out that if I apply my primer or any base of oil first or any anti-shine primer, my skin gets kind of oily and sticky and my foundation becomes very cakey. So I completely avoid the primers right now. So I'm using my moisturizer. It is the Johnson's 24-hour moisturizer soft cream and I love this product because it's very soft and easily blendable to your skin, as you can see. And you can use it in any weather, whether it's summer, winter or rainy. It's very good for your skin if your skin is very oily. So first of all, I'm going to apply this in my face. Now moving on to my foundation, I'm applying this focllaur skin foundation focllaur skin evolution in the shade of 5 natural tan. I love this product. I recently bought this about 2 months ago and it's very nice and it's perfect for my skin tone. Sometimes I really find it difficult to find the perfect foundation just that matches my skin tone, but I don't usually get those, so I have to use 2 or 3 kinds of foundation and mix them together. But this product is really good. I just love it. There is no other comments. As you guys can see, the foundation is really blendable and you can say that I'm applying any foundation on my skin right now. So now I'll move on to my concealer. For my concealer, I'm using this LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. Blending my concealer, I'm using a different beauty blender. Now for my baking and my press powder, I'm using this press powder from Jordana in the shade Beige 04 and I really like it because it's yellow in color, which is perfect for the tan skin like me. So first of all, I have to say you guys that I'm using a beauty blender to bake my under eyes and also my nose and chin area, because I think that when I press my powder or translucent powder or any kind of powder or pressed powder, I feel that my under eyes are completely sealed with the concealer, which is very good. So I recommend this if you're doing any makeup or any kind of makeup, it would be very nice. As you can see, I have done my eyebrows completely off camera and it looks pretty good. Now we'll move on to the eyeshadow. As you guys can see, I have done my one eye off camera. So first of all, I'm gonna say the 2 palettes I'm using today. These 2 are the palettes. This is the W7 Blazing palette, as you can see, and I love this palette. It was gifted by my sister on my birthday. and I absolutely love it. And this is my all-time favorite Revelations palette, the day and night palette. This palette is the bomb. I have to use this palette like every single day whenever I'm doing my makeup, because I think I feel incomplete without this. So I'm showing the colors to you. This W7 Blazing palette. It is just, sorry about that. It is just like the Naked Heat palette. It is the dupe. I don't like the Naked palettes because I think those are not that much pigmented, but these are really pigmented. As you can tell, I've been using these dark colors the most because I love any dark colors, because I think it goes with my personality and the way I look. So I'll be using these colors today, and I will show which colors I'm using on my eyes. So let's get started. First, I'm applying some face powder on my lid. This color, it is the Volcano, and I'm using this as my transition shade. So I'll be using these two colors right here, and I love this color as well as this one. This one is the Alarming and this one is the Burn. We'll be using these two colors now. As you can see, I'm taking my eyeshadow downwards just like the eyes I have been given. So I think that it gives my eyes more dimension and it looks very broad. Now moving on to my Revelations palette, I'm using this beautiful violet color. I love this color, and with a smudge brush I'm going to apply this on the center of my lid. I'm moving on to my W7 palette again, and I'm using this last beautiful color. It's glittery and shiny. It's called the Miocalinate color, and with a fluffy brush I'm gonna apply it all over that violet color I applied. At my crease, I'll be using that golden color from the Revelation palette. I'm not gonna cut all the way through, just half of the crease to give it more dimension to the eyeshadow. This copperish color on my lower lash line with this angle brush. For my contouring, I'm gonna use this etude palette, and I'm gonna use this color and this color. With the mixture of these two colors, I'm gonna contour my whole entire face. As you can see already, I'm using this color a lot. For my blush today, I'm using this Sleek palette. It is in the Pumpkin. This palette is called the Pumpkin. And I really love these three colors. They are just absolutely beautiful. I'm going to use this color. It's called the Lantern. And I love this orange color. And now I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheek. For my highlighter, I'm using this Moa Undressed highlighter in the shade Iridescent Gold, and this highlighter color is absolutely the bomb. You can see It's really nice and it's perfect for tan skin like the Asians. As you can see, I put on my false lashes. Now for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this colourpop in the shade Mama. This lipstick is really nice. I really like it, but there is no colourpop name here because it has been gone. I've been using this color lately so much. Using this setting spray, this is the Freedom setting spray in anti shine. Sorry, my camera's focusing is really disturbing today a lot. I'm gonna spray this all over my face to blend those powders and bakings all over my face. So guys, this is the finishing look. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe my channel down below, and of course give this video a big thumbs up so I can get your support and do more videos like this. So until next time, bye guys.